Venmo is redesigning itself to become the go-to money movement app of the next generation. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. As part of that evolution, Venmo is introducing some necessary privacy measures. As first spotted by The Verge, the Venmo revamp welcomes new users with a default setting that sets posts as only visible to friends. Previously, when you were setting up your account, the posts were defaulted to be public so that everyone can see how much pizza and coffee you were getting with your friends. For even more privacy, Venmo lets you change the option to just me for your post visibility. It's a good change for a mobile payment app that had issues with privacy in the past, just like when BuzzFeed News discovered former President Joe Biden's friends list since it was visible to the public. While Venmo added an option to hide your friend list after that incident, it's not certain if the latest redesign will default to setting your friend list as private too. Apart from the improved privacy settings, Venmo's redesign includes a revamped feed that adds the convenience of reacting to payments and quick actions like pay again or say thanks. The app is even adding a give a shout out button that'll help promote local businesses. The new Venmo redesign is rolling out to users starting this week, with more features to come in the next few months before being fully revamped and available by the fall. Sending your friends money has never been this easier and private on Venmo before this. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.